Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. This topic is in His presence. It doesn't take much to be in His presence. Nowhere in scripture did it say create an atmosphere for my presence. Nowhere in scripture did it say go into the secret room and pray until I'm there. In His presence means now. In His presence is here. He's right here, right now. It doesn't take much. Without Him, I'm invalid. Without Him, I won't be able to breathe. Without Him, I wouldn't be able to acknowledge the goodness of Him. You see, it doesn't take much to be in His presence. What is it to be in His presence? It's not to create an atmosphere. It's not to shout and make a noise and all of this. It starts by fully surrendering to Him. It's by repenting to Him and giving Him all the glory. When you and I walk up in His presence is with me now. His presence is even with you now, upon you and in you. Scripture says He will never leave you nor forsake you. But if you are in sin, living in sin, doing sin, He must turn His face away. But do you see? His presence is still here. That's what it means. In His presence. Stop seeking for an experience for in His presence. And start believing in His presence. Paul wrote to the church and is writing to us also today, 2 Corinthians 5, and it says, walk by faith and not by sight. In His presence is here now. He is here. I want to talk to you. Never say God has left me. God is still here. He is closer to you than you are to yourself in His presence. This is the day that the Lord has made so that we can be glad and rejoice in it. Psalm 118. We are saying the scriptures, but we are not living it. In His presence is now, not later. Now, not to be created. Now is to be in His presence. Until next time, be in His presence, remain in His presence, and God bless you. Bye-bye.